10 driving skills to save gas. As a car owner, you want to know tricks on how you could cut off your gas money and save, right? Well, you are on the right channel. We are going to provide you hacks that would be useful to you every day. Hi, welcome to New Age Life Hacks, and we welcome you to another video full of fun, easy, and amazing hacks made just for you. Before we get to the fun part, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that post notification to not miss any amazing hack video. Let's get started. 10. Remove unnecessary things that add weight in your trunk. Getting rid of unnecessary things in your car improves fuel efficiency. Many of us likes to put on everything they have in their trunk, resulting in adding hundreds of pounds, thus car fuel's intake increases. Now, if you want to keep saving your gas, you should only keep one spare tire in your trunk, a repair kit, and maybe a gallon of gas for an emergency. This method helps you save money and gas and, of course, keeps the quality of your car as it is, not worn out. 9. Avoid downhill on neutral gear. Using neutral gear while you are at downhill will build a question. Is it bad to go downhill? The answer is the engine still needs to keep turning. But first, you have to preserve your car's brakes because the engine and the wheels are disconnected. Therefore, do not shift into neutral because the car can get the rotational power it needs from the wheels. So, just shift into a lower gear when going downhill. 8. Close your window. Closing your window makes your car easy to move forward while you are driving. As you leave it open, the force of the wind that drags the car backward will increase fuel intake as it needs more power to move the car faster and more forceful than the wind. Now try it then and you will notice the small drop of use of the gas. Well, ain't that useful? 7. Price gas check. Before you go to the gas station, try to check online the price of the gas for today and if you think you have enough gas for today's use and tomorrow. Try to fill your tank on another day. As we know, the price of the gas is based on demand, the weather, and the dollar. But usually, it will depend on the demand. If the demand is high, the price is high. If the demand is low, the price is low. So if the gas price is higher than you thought for today, then try tomorrow. Just try this hack if you don't need that gas as much. 6. Keeping tire pressure in the right range. For car tires, most of the car owners like to remodel their wheel rim with an attractive design. They like to scramble and turn a 16-inch rim into an 18-inch. Yet, a wheel rim that is more than 18 inches in size is only suitable for automobiles. It is suitable for high horsepower and high torque. Also, for a regular family car, it'll make the start and acceleration slower, increase fuel consumption, or even harm certain car parts like the gearbox. Besides, even if you have customized your tires with extra width and height, just to meet the guidelines, you have to remember to pump your tires most of the time. Otherwise, the tires won't have enough air and lack of it will add to the fuel consumption. 5. Turning off your engine when you stop the car. Remember when the government has implemented a power-off policy for many years? This could be the right time to follow the order. For your information, power-off parking is not only environmentally friendly, but also you are avoiding the idling of the engine. Imagine for every 5 minutes of idling, the amount of fuel your car engine consumes is equal to that of driving about 1 kilometer. So, it's wise to turn off that engine while parking. 4. Saving a date for regular maintenance. I know that some are always a busy person, but you have to keep in mind that a beautiful car needs regular maintenance. It is very important. Regardless if it's a self-inspection or an annual checkup or checkup by your car factory, your car needs it. Trust me. Over time, the probability of car problems will also increase. That's why maintenance and repairs keep your car's various components in its best operating condition. Moreover, you maintain fuel efficiency and reduce the possibility of accidents just by doing this. 3. Shop a car for the reason of fuel efficiency. Choosing a car is the best time of our life. It is very fulfilling and there is no shortage of fuel-efficient vehicles in the market. Now, if you are a working man and needs to save money, you need to understand that choosing a car that will not cause you trouble soon is a must. With the introduction of more and more high-tech models and electric vehicles, you can greatly reduce fuel consumption by buying fuel-efficient vehicles in the future. 2. Regular clearing of carbon deposits. A carbon deposit is a filth found in gasoline. To remove them, avoid long-term slow driving. Try to increase your speed for a small distance under safe conditions. Carbon deposit accumulates in the engine over many years, particularly if you're driving in the city. Since the engine speed is low for a long time, the carbon deposit is more likely to form in your car engine. By driving fast occasionally, you would steer clear of carbon deposit formation. Moreover, drivers can visit car care service companies to ensure the condition of your car, and so they could use hydrogen to remove engine carbon deposits for you. 1. Driving in constant speed. Try to avoid unnecessary speed-ups, slowdowns, and brakes at once. If you speed up on a highway, hard accelerates, then harsh brakes, your fuel efficiency will even drop to around 10 to 40%. One of the situations is when the traffic light changes green to red. Most of the drivers will speed up then brake without realizing the dangers of it to get past one more traffic light. This causes your gas to drop. A better way to do this would be to select a lower gear when you start the engine, then step on the accelerator. As you speed up, try to switch to high gear to avoid your engine reaching the red area on the tachometer when you change speed. What about going uphill? You could change to high gear when there's enough power, so then you can continue up the hill. Remember to avoid stepping too hard or harsh on your accelerator. Saving up today is very advisable. Though it's good to experience luxury most of the time, saving is more important. I hope you found these tips useful. What tip would you try and do to save up? Share your thoughts with us on the comments section down below and see you in our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification button to keep you updated.